Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar index analysis, plus Bitcoin price prediction. So this is Thomas with you again, guys, and if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on, because guys, every day we put in for you a video analyzing for you the market. So if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, or you can even join us in Telegram. And you, if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button, to write down a comment, support us, guys. So let's start, guys. As you see here, guys, that the SP 500, also we enter short because we used to have here that megaphone here. As you see it, when it's breaking here, we enter short. It came down here. I told you guys here, protect yourself. And now what it given us, because today the market is open, look at it, what it given us here. It given us here a flag, and that one is a continuation pattern, guys. If it came like that and breaking here down, that man, the SP 500 is going to fall down till here, guys, till that low here. So you need to make a close eye. Until now it's showing it's still falling down, so maybe it's going to fall down till here, but it's need at least to break here that lower of that flag. I think picture is very clear, guys, because US economic till now it doesn't get better and it's still getting more worse and worse. That way us we telling you it's not yet. And me, I see it is going to fall down more than that. So you need to make a close eye at those things, guys. So here in the 4 hours, guys, also we enter short from here. Now also we are in very nice position. If it's breaking down here, that level here, fair enough. If it go up and breaking here, we don't care. We will close in the short and we will open a buy opportunity here. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here down at the oversold area. So that one, it's indicating that the market is going to reverse. So all still now we got the only price action we got here is that channel here. That one, it's need for us to enter long. It's need to come to break upward here. So if it doesn't, also we are not going to enter long. And me personally, I think it's going to break down. If it's breaking down, also already we enter short from here. Then we go to come with it till that down here, that level here, guys. So everything is too clear, guys. I think picture is too clear. Now let me analyze for you the SP 500 here in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got something very clear here. As you see it here, we got here that supply and demand zone here, that one here, and that one is stuck in it. But here, we used to have here like a channel like that. As you see it here in 30 minutes, till now it doesn't breaking down here. So till now, it's not yet. And even you can even do like that here in 30 minutes. You do like a triangle here or a symmetric triangle, because the names, some people they be focused about the names more than trading. And here it's showing to us a pin bar here. At the moment the market is going to reverse from here, but me personally I think it's going to fall down more than that. And here, as you see it, guys, it give you here a head and shoulder here, as you see it. The neckline of that one, it used to be here. So the take profit of that one, it need to be down here. So I think that one, it's bring the take profit exactly here, as you see it. But here, in the bigger picture, look with me here. He tried to give you here a double top. So the neckline of that one is that one here. Till now it doesn't break in here, so it's still a little bit early. So for you here, you do all those ones. If you want to trade by the double top or that channel here, as you see it like that, and you waiting either to break here, because everything it's based on that break here, guys. If it's a break in here, it's going to fall down more till down here. So I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's coming from here, from our bot area. So it's going down, but till now it doesn't break in here. So for people, they will have enter short here, will have the enter because of that head and shoulder here. Till now they need to wait until it's enter here to the oversold area. But I got something else. Let me show it to you, guys. So it's going there. The other thing I got, guys, look with me here, very close. Look here and look here, guys. What you see? You got a divergence, guys, here. As you see, it is very clear. If you bring that peak here, that one here, with that one here, that's a very clear divergence. For you to enter, it needs to break for you that double top here. As you see, that M or double top or whatever you name it, the names, it doesn't matter, guys. The most important to break here, if it's breaking here by a candle close below that line here, you do it like that and you do it like that. So the SP500 is going to go till down here, guys. Everything is too clear, and I'm going to come back to you tomorrow, guys. That's what also we will do in now. After European market close, we're going to put for you only the stock market, and after the daily candle close, we're going to put for you only the Bitcoin, guys. So you need to make a close eye out with us. So if you are a crypto trader, you're waiting just the daily candle video. And if you are a stock trader, you're waiting that after European market close. So let's go in now to the Nasdaq 100, guys, to analyze it for you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Nasdaq 100. The same thing, that one we used to have here, that megaphone here, that one here. When it's breaking here, we enter short. Till now it came down here. Now here, he tried to give us here a price action, but till now it's not yet. He tried to give us here a head and shoulder here for us to enter long like that. As you see that the neckline here, but he couldn't break the neckline, so there is no entry long yet. And here now, if you make a close eye with me here, he tried to give you here like a flag, guys, here. If it came and breaking down here, same thing. You bring that line like that, and in the place where it's going to be broken, you put it down. But here in that place where we are, I showed it to you before, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, so it's too dangerous now to enter short unless if it came and breaking down here. Also in that one we enter short long time, guys, because people they've been with us, we enter short from here because we used to have here that wage. And that wage here, when it's being broken here, we enter short, and we said the take profit of that one, it needs to be here. So it's bringing exactly the people being following us. That's what also we said. Till now here, as I tell it to you, here it tried to give you here like a small flag, as you see it, here like that. But it's not yet. You can make like that a megaphone. That one it's more clear. So that one to continue downward, it needs to come to break here. Till now it's not yet, guys. You need to wait in a little bit here to see what's going to happen. I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it entered here to the oversold area. So also now we need to looking for a buy opportunity. Till now, we don't have price action we used to have here is that head and shoulder here, as you see it here. It's very clear, but he couldn't break here. The neckline here, so there is no entry yet because as you see here that the shoulder over here, the head, that the next shoulder, guys. But he couldn't break here that neckline, so it's not yet, guys. Maybe it's going to stay sideways here, then it's going to give us here a price action for us to enter short or to enter long. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. Now let me analyze it for you in 30 minutes for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Look with me here, that head and shoulder I show you in 4 hours. How is it? Clear here. Look here. That one, the shoulder. Over here is the head. And over here is the neck shoulder, guys. So that one here, it couldn't break here, the neckline. So there is no entry yet, as you see it. And here in 30 minutes, like that, you have here a channel, and here in the Nasdaq, guys, it's breaking that channel down here. So people they want to enter short will have the enter short now. And here the same thing like the SP500 is you got here a double top, as you see it here, it's breaking now. And here you got a small head and shoulder here, even that one it's breaking down. So here in 30 minutes it's showing something different, guys. Here in 30 minutes it's showing it falling down. And let's see our indicators, guys, what they say in here in 30 minutes. That one here, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area, so people they want to enter short. You being here in a very stronger supply and demand zone like that. Our indicator it's being here at the overbought area. Third things, you being have here a price action like that, as you see it. You have there a head and shoulder, as you look with me here, that the shoulder, over here that the head, and over here that the neck shoulder, guys. The neckline is being here like that. That candle here it's break it, so we'll have you enter short with it. And even now you can enter short if you want, because look like that, you got here a up channel like that. That channel is being broken here, so that one it's still going down, guys. Take profit for that one, the same thing, you do it like that. Then in the place where it's breaking, you do it like that, so it's going to fall down till here, till that last low here. That one here, guys, let me show it to you. It's going to fall down till here, till that last low here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator. I want to show you something in it. Let's see it. That one here, guys, same thing. Look with me here. You got a very clear divergence here. Look with me here and here. You see it or no? Look here, that place here with that place here and that one here with that one here. So you got a very clear divergence, but now you are very close to the oversold area, guys. You need to make a close eye at it, like how you used to have here a very clear divergence here, as you see it like that. Then I want to push in the Nasdaq 100, guys, to go up till here. So now it's very close to the oversold areas. You need to be careful now. Don't try to overtrade. Always try to protect yourself, guys. Now, guys, let's go into see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the DXY. That one we said before in the last videos, we used to have here a triangle like that. That candle here is break it here. So people they trading now the forex, the US dollar, it's showing it came back stronger, and here it started very stronger. And I'll show you in the daily where we are and what the view for it. I think now we are going to go higher, guys, but till now it's not yet. It needs to break here the 200 moving average, and here all the things they showing you are in a very stronger place. Look at it, even like that. If you do it like that, even like that, guys, you got here a triangle. The triangle is being broken here. So that one, to know the target, you do it like that, you do it like that. So it's going to go up till here, till 107, guys, here exactly. I think picture is too clear, guys. Everything is in front of you. Let's see our indicators, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also being here at the oversold area for long till now. The only time when it's breaking the price action is now, as you see it. It's breaking now. The candle here is breaking upward. So for people they want to enter long, you can enter long now the US dollar against other things. That's when you long for US dollar and you short for the others. That's when if you trade in British pound, the USD, you long for USD and you short for British pound. For Euro USD, the same thing. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. The last video here in the Bitcoin Watch Me, I told you. You just found it in the channel. I told you we have here a wedge like that. I told you if it's breaking, you enter short. Now it's breaking, guys, as you see it here. Now it's breaking. And the last video I told you just a trap. Now it's breaking, guys. It's showing it will falling down. And here, look with me that double top, how clear it is here. And now here it's breaking the neckline. So here in 30 minutes, the Bitcoin is showing it's going to fall down, guys. There is nothing more clear than that. That head and shoulder, those people they follow. I don't want to say something about them, leave them. Look at that. That one is breaking for you the target. The target of that one is being here. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you guys. Here, look at it. You used to have here a wedge like that. I showed it to you in the last video. I told you have here a wedge. Now it's being broken, guys. The take profit for that one, it needs to be down here at 16,300, guys. Here down. Exactly. So till now we're still in a downtrend here in the Bitcoin. Let's see our indicators, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, even here it gives you a divergence. Now you are going down to the oversold area. I think everything is very clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator. That one here, we show you in the last video, you got here a very clear divergence like that. Until now it's still very clear there. So that one is going down to the oversold area. So if you are not enter yet, you can enter now. The Bitcoin is going to fall down a little bit, but it needs to break here that 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.